some stuff here. I'm gonna try to fix this grill, best of my ability. It's not gonna be concourse. I'd like to do, but so now I'll go back where you can see, and I'll skim coat just a little bit of filler. All right, cleaning up the trim rings here, polishing them. Coming out pretty good compared to how it is or was. This one actually, I was missing one. The gentleman was kind enough to send me this one actually, free of charge, after posting on the forum that I was looking for one. So, great guy. All right, it's as good as it's gonna get for now. By no means perfect. There's a lot of shitty spots still, but I believe it's way better than it was. Bezels for the headlights, painted and cleaned up. Got some black on the grill slats, and at least it's not gonna snap in half, I don't think, when I go to put it on. So next is installation.